Hi, everyone. Welcome back to the channel. If you want to speak English fluently, you need a strong foundation of daily words. Today, I'm giving you 100 essential English vocabulary words that every beginner must know. We will cover objects, emotions, actions, and more. Grab a notebook and let's get started. The 100 words, daily objects and surroundings. Asterisk window 2.
Door 3.
Table 4.
Chair 5.
Kitchen 6. Bedroom 7. Garden 8. Street 9. Market 10. Bridge 11. Mirror 12. Curtain 13. Stairs 14. Roof 15. Floor 16. Towel 17.
Soap 18.
Blanket 19. Pillow 20. Candle. People and relationships 21. Family 22. Parents 23. Siblings 24. Neighbor 25. Friend 26. Stranger 27. Guest 28. Customer 29. Teacher 30. Student 31. Adult 32. Child 33. Toddler 34. Crowd 35. Citizen. Feelings and emotions 36. Happy 37.
Sa 38.
Angry 39. Scared 40. Brave 41. Confused 42. Surprised 43. Nervous 44. Calm 45. Proud 46. Lonely 47. Jealous 48. Guilty 49. Excited 50.
Bored.
Common actions 51. Eat 52. Sleep 53. Walk 54. Run 55. Read 56. Write 57. Speak 58. Listen 59. Think 60. Learn 61. Forget 62. Remember 63. Wait 64. Work 65. Play 66. Buy 67. Sell 68. Give 69. Take 70. Help. Describing words 71. Big 72. Small 73. Hot 74. Cold 75.
Fast 76.
Slow 77. Early 78. Late 79. Cheap 80. Expensive 81. Heavy 82. Light 83. Dirty 84. Clean 85. Dry 86.
Wet 87.
Hard 88. Soft 89. Sharp 90. Blunt. Time and nature 91. Today 92. Yesterday 93. Tomorrow 94. Always 95. Never 96. Weather 97. Season 98. Forest 99. Mountain 100.
Sky.
That's it. 100 words to jumpstart your English journey. My advice? Try to use at least 5 of these words in a sentence today. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe for more lessons. Let me know in the comments which section was the most useful for you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.